Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So guys, we continue with the Regina Daniels story. The Regina Daniels story is the little side dish that we're serving along with the main diet of the politics that we digest on this channel on a daily basis. So the Regina Daniels story we continue with. So the latest installment, Regina Daniels' ex-boyfriend Somadina Adinma lashes out at trolls mocking him over losing his boo to a billionaire. So they are making fun of this fella over losing his girlfriend to a billionaire. I'm not sure how many people would not lose their girlfriend to a billionaire, but let's see what he has to say. Nollywood actress Regina Daniels and actor Somadina Adinma were once an item, and since news broke that his ex-boo was allegedly married to an older man in the person of billionaire lawmaker Ned Nwoko, the actor has kept mute. He, however, broke his silence this evening, saying he's tired of trolls bugging him on social media and he wants everyone to mind their own business. So see below his post. So this is what he has to say, and this is a direct quote from his, I think his Twitter handle. Some people are funny though. They be coming to say trash to me. Even niggas coming on another niggas page to troll him. Like who the F word sight around doing fine boy. Like their stupidity won't let me see them. See that nigga as is actually doing great. Bitch ass niggas coming to troll their papa, posting shit all over social media upon waiting they know nothing about, upon waiting no be their business. Everybody now has an opinion. Stupid mofos, choke on this, and then he does a middle finger emoji. So now this is the response of Regina Daniels' alleged boyfriend. I don't know this guy. He's a new name to me, but I'm sure you all are familiar with him. So this is now his response to the billionaire taking his girlfriend off him. And of course a billionaire will take anybody's girlfriend off them, because the life that a billionaire offers is completely different from the life that this struggling whatever he is. I think he's an actor or whatever he is. The life that a billionaire can offer this girl and her family is vastly different from the life that this struggling young boy can offer. So is the way of the world. So Regina Daniels' boyfriend or ex-boyfriend now, because she's a married woman now, allegedly, is now coming out in the public space to say enough is enough, just leave me be. She's moved on and I would like to as well, is effectively what he's saying. So now this is the latest installment in the Regina Daniels storyline. Now what says you? Regina Daniels, the billionaire, the ex-boyfriend, and love gone and love moved on. So this is the storyline. What is your take on this? Money trumps all, and that seems to be the state of play here. Your conversations in the comment section as usual. This is how we do it on this channel. But before you come join me to have that conversation in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button. You know that red button that you can see. Click on it so it turns gray, and then that bell as well that is next to the red subscribe button. Click on that as well so you are notified every time I drop a new video. Then come join me in the comment section. Let's have a little bit of a chat about this. It's just a silly little gist. It's nothing really significant or of any real importance apart from the players involved, but we can have a chat and a bit of a laugh about it. So come, let's have that laugh in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.